I designed this digital Connect 4, and today we are going to get 7 of the top AIs to program it, just from one prompt. A quick rundown on the project itself: it uses these tokens to play the game. The game has an infrared sensor across the top of each column to detect the token going in, and then another going across the bottom of the top row to confirm the column has been selected. The glitch of AIs needs to achieve some success factors or be eliminated from the race. 1. The AI must be free, but an email sign-up is okay. 2. The sketch must compile the first time. We are using Arduino to program the Arduino Nano, and the code must be a straight cut and paste. 3. When a token is inserted, the column needs to highlight the top row with the player's color so they know whose turn it is. 4. The token needs to be detected reliably by both sensors, which might be tricky, as it's all analog. 5. As the token falls, it should simulate the traditional game with a falling token. 6. Connect 4 is a simple game of connecting 4 tokens in a row in any direction. Each combination needs to be detected. 7. Provide a clear winner. There needs to be no doubt who won the game. 8. Restart after each game so the fun can continue. Here are the 7 AIs we will be using. You should be able to visit them today and start for free. Let me know in the comments which of your favorites I missed out. The premise was pretty straightforward. I created a prompt that gave the basics of what was required. I added some diode thresholds and I/O pins to use, as well as what I wanted to happen. You can find the prompt on my Patreon. I then went into incognito to prevent historical information being a factor. I then cut and pasted the identical prompt in each LLM, copied the output and pasted in the Arduino IDE. With the attempts loaded, I tried to compile each. If you are not sure what that means, it is just a process that converts the sketch into something the controller can understand. The process checks the code before writing it to our controller. If it fails, you need to debug the code. We don't want to do any of that. We just want to compile and go. This was going great until our first victim, Meta. For some reason, it came up with an error. It could be pretty simple, but our criteria is no compile errors. Sorry, Meta, you are out of the race. In this test, we want each top row to light where the token is. This provides us with our second victim. Deep seek. This would be a simple change to fix. It's just got the order back to front. Unfortunately, that isn't how we are playing the game. In this test, we just want the token to fall to the next available slot reliably. In this case, Claude dropped the ball and missed the drop. Maybe a simple timing issue, but Claude, you are fired. We want a level of authenticity with the game. Visually, seeing a token drop is important. This test proves this function and everyone played along except Grok. Grok would detect the token at the drop and then place it where it would have landed. Remember, all the LLMs got the same prompt. Arrivederci, Grok. Of the remaining 3, everyone passed this test. Diagonal, vertical, and horizontal patterns were all detected. There isn't much point playing a game if you can't gloat about it. Let's see how each LLM handles it. First up, Gemini. It's pretty clear, the winning color here. Let's try Quen. There is literally no way of proving who won unless you were playing the game. Finally, ChatGPT, the OG, also makes it clear who the winner was. Once you have one, you want to be able to restart to have another round. Let's see how our finalists handle the endgame. By the way, I have no idea why Gemini has the top rows as light green. Sometimes these LLMs add their own twist to projects. I didn't ask for it not to be there, so I can't really vote it out. Either way, the Gemini version doesn't stop flashing, so you have to disconnect the power to play again. Let's check on the OG. The game ends after a couple of flashes, and you're good to go again. If you have made it this far, you should totally subscribe. I have a bunch of videos you would love. To be fair, any one of these AIs could have completed the sketch correctly with small tweaks to the prompt. In this case, the OG got it right. Maybe that is expected. Next up, we will get the score showing for each player. What else would you add? If you would like to see how this project came together, let me know in the comments and I will make a build video. Thanks for watching.